This is Raleigh Thornton with Thornton, Esquire Law Group, PLLC. Yesterday, I had an opportunity to speak to a potential new client, and she mentioned that she had seen my reviews and that she was very impressed and that they really wanted me to handle her legal matter. So, of course, I was humbled, but at the same time, I expressed to her that I believe that it's because when I talk to clients that start off as being strangers, that we end up having something in common and we end up talking about everything else in the world. I gave her the example to where one of my clients has fibromyalgia, and so years ago. And so I started talking to her about smoothies. So I suggested to her that maybe she try some of that and try to go in that direction because at the time I was a health fanatic. I'm still kind of a health fanatic, but I was more of a health fanatic at that time. I was drinking more smoothies at that time, but at any rate, I digress. But anyway, so the client did take some of my tips about turmeric and different things and other supplements and different things that I had learned about, self-learned about. Okay, I'm not telling anybody that this is going to cure your fibromyalgia. Okay. But anyway, so I talked to that client about her condition and talked to her about recipes and different things. And so whenever we would talk about her case, I mean, I was handling her car accident case. But yet I was on the phone with her for like 30 minutes talking about smoothies and different things. And so that was a connection that we made. And so that stranger did eventually become a friend that I consider a friend, more than just a client or past client. And I think she considers me to be such as well. Of course, that's not every client that I come into contact with, but that's a lot of the clients. They have the feeling that, you know, I'm there for them. I'm down to earth. And so that's how I approach things. And so that was the conversation that I had yesterday with the client. A potential new client, which I believe she is going to be a client based on our conversation and the reviews and just her experience with me yesterday. But I'm so happy to be in a position to be able to help the community with their legal issues and to be more than just an attorney in the community. And so again, I was humbled by her mention of the reviews and feeling connected to me before she even called me. So I would just say that is probably accurate. But I'm a humble person, but that is probably accurate. And so I try to be down to earth when I deal with people and with my clients. Of course, I still take care of their legal issues because I try to stay on top of that. I am an attorney first, but I still am humbled and try to be down to earth and try to explain things to clients in a way that they can understand and that they can relate to. So that is how my personality is. Sometimes I'm more gregarious and sometimes I'm more serious. But like my slogan says on my website, don't let off cute smiles fool you. Anyway, if y'all need anything, any help with your car accidents, your family law issues, I also do those, feel free to reach out to us. 888-349-4529. Thank you.